Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting product to talk about that's a must-have for all you plant enthusiasts out there. We'll be reviewing the Horticultural Charcoal by Perfect Plants, a 24 ounces plant charcoal that's making waves in the gardening world. If you're looking for the best potting mix for succulents, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is this Horticultural Charcoal by Perfect Plants? Well, it's a lightweight and mild soil additive designed to make your plants thrive. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just getting started with your green thumb, this product has something to offer. As you can see, it comes in a convenient 24 ounces resealable bag, perfect for easy storage and later use. Now, let's talk about some of the key features that make this product stand out from the rest. First and foremost, Horticultural Charcoal assists in draining excess moisture. No one likes soggy soil, right? This charcoal helps prevent overwatering and keeps your plant's roots healthy. It's not just about moisture control. This charcoal sweetens the soil by absorbing nutrients for your plant roots. Your plants will thank you for the enriched soil. One of the coolest features is that it acts as a natural filter. It helps to filter out harmful and odor-causing bacteria, making your gardening experience more enjoyable. Another great thing is that it prevents soil compaction. Those small to medium-sized pieces create air pockets that allow your plant roots to breathe and grow comfortably. But wait, there's more. This product is incredibly versatile. Let's explore some of the ways you can use it. Just head over to the Amazon website and search for Horticultural Charcoal by Perfect Plants. We've also provided a direct link in the video description below for your convenience. In conclusion, if you're in search of the best potting mix for succulents and want a product that helps with drainage, soil conditioning, and natural filtration, look no further than Horticultural Charcoal by Perfect Plants. Thank you for joining us today, and happy gardening! We'll see you in the next video.